वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड। आज इस एपिसोड में हम साफ सफाई करने वाले हैं एक और लैपटॉप की, और इस लैपटॉप की साफ सफाई में हमारी मदद करने वाले हैं पूपी जी। पूपी जी, laptop is running extremely hot and it's reporting overheating issues as well as freezing issues. So हमें ये भी देखना है कि कहीं विंडोज तो करप्ट नहीं है। If it's like that then we have to replace it. This comes when you live with cats. बाल। So आज के इस एपिसोड में we have to clean this. This is a Dell. This is an old laptop, not too old, not too new. Also बैटरी नहीं है इस पे। वेलकम टू द चैनल गाइस, आई एम यासिर, यू आर विथ यासिर MJ एंड आज के इस एपिसोड में हम एक और लैपटॉप साफ करने वाले हैं। अगर चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और ये पुराना वाला एक्सट्रीमली फिल्थी जो क्लीन किया था अपन ने अपना डेस्कटॉप, वो वीडियो भी देख लीजिए। सो बिना किसी वक्त को गवाए हुए वी विल स्टार्ट क्लीनिंग दिस लैपटॉप। फर्स्टली लेट मी ओपन दिस अप एंड विल क्लीन इट। After installing this thing, I came to know that the Windows also needed a fresh install. So मैंने इसमें नया Windows install किया। उसके बाद जो temperatures हैं वो एकदम ही solid आ गए। Earlier, even at the smallest load, it was thermal throttling, but now it's working super fine. It's booting up very fast as compared to the older state. So I'll call it a success. It is very important to use a high performance thermal paste for laptops to keep the temperatures under control. I used Thermal Grizzly Cryonaut. The links are in description if you want to buy it. I know it's expensive, but it is the best thermal paste that you can buy for a laptop right now. As you can see at the full load, it's doing 52 degrees Celsius. Earlier it was easily crossing 100 degrees Celsius and it was thermal throttling and the laptop was completely freezing. Now it's really good. I don't know why it's not hitting 15 watts. The TDP is 15 watts, but it's not hitting the 15 watts mark. Sorry for the sketchy screen. It's 720p screen, so it's not clear. But the purpose is solved. It's performing very nicely. Earlier this touchpad was not working, so I also cleaned the contact. I'll give you a pro tip now. If you want to clean any connector or electronic contact, this is the thing that you should use. This is a normal eraser. Just rub it off with it and it'll work. I did the same thing with the mousepad and it works now. The laptop is running fine. Everything is running fine. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like this, then give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down and do comment. Wait for the next video. Another PC build is coming up. I'm doing a custom case, so I'll be doing it very soon. Also the other channel is having the new travel vlogs. Go check it out. Take care and keep cleaning. I'll see you in the next vlog.